And we're back at it again with the Kenway cosplay. We're on the final stretch, and the final stretch is the boots, because a pirate outfit is nothing without some pirate boots. Yeah, so we're going to be doing that by making essentially a sock on top of some boots I've already got. Yeah. Crack. Time to crack on. Time for some shoddy commentary. Once again, we're going to be wrapping another appendage of mine in a cling wrap and masking tape. Because essentially we're making a sock over the boot. Yes. And congrats, you got to see my bare leg without taking me to drinks first. Now this is the part where other people would say, test it out on a piece of spare fabric. But we don't do that here, so I'm going to go straight to the leather. And I'm going to be using, I think it was 3mm leather. Gonna mark it and chop it with a sharp knife. Remember to use a sharp knife, otherwise it won't cut properly. And in the wise words of Mr. Maker, careful, cause scissors are sharp, even though it's a knife. Punch, punch, lots of punch, 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 punch the holes, punch, punch, lots of punch. Why the hell am I doing this? And this is me counting all the holes, making sure they line up. Right, and here's the thing I'm going to be doing. Got this little strippy strip that's going to go under. I'm going to sew through it and go do 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 do, and it should stop it from buckling out in a triangle shape. Hopefully. We'll see. Excuse the noise, there's people cleaning upstairs. Did I turn the microphone on? Yes, I did. Right, and it is a good thing that I did it out of leather, because now I know it can flex properly. It flows around like I would like it to. And yeah, I learned a couple of other new things. I learned that I need to put a I need to continue it upwards so it'll flap down like a pirate boot. I need to make it wider on the, is it called a calf? Don't know. So yeah, it'll fit proper, nice, and yeah. on to the rest. And according to my calculations, which have a 50% chance of being right, I should be able to get away with just moving the top and extending this main piece by about that much. And it should extend the top, which I think is called a calf, while keeping this the same. Yeah. Will it work? We shall see. Well, I guess you shall see and I shall do. Yes. After many days and nights of sewing and sewing, I finally had 2 boots. Little did I realise that I made 2 of the same boots. Yeah. So I had to do it again, and I did it nicer the second time. Happy little accident. And that left-handed and right-handed, people, is how I turned a pair of Doc Martens into some leather pirate boots. Yeah, they turned out alright. They're flexible and they keep their shape, and from a distance you can't really tell. Yeah, I think we're almost finished the Kenway cosplay for Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced. And yeah, make your own boots if you like. I ain't gonna tell you what to do. Yeah, that's how you make a video, right?